If you want to do this iZoom trend, let's see how you can do this. So to do this trend, go to Chrome and search for higgsfield I and then click on this website. Now slide down and click on the effect name, iZin. Now after this click on Generate and now click on Start Frame and upload your photo from gallery. And then enter this prompt. You can get this prompt from my description. And now after this click on Generate. And now you have to wait for few minutes until it generate the video. And now after generating download the video. Now after downloading open any editing app, I'm using CapCut. And add the same video twice and reverse the second video. And now you're done. Export the video and you're ready to share.